Hey, here's the Master Fans. Tonight we are working on my Sony sound system, which is going to be hooked up to a Trinitron, as well as several other CRTs with some Kraco FX95s. And right now we're just testing everything up front. I have some Bose front speakers and the Kracos are my surround. But right now we're going to give it a test with this VCR. Now, all of this stuff was donated. I've cleaned it up. I haven't tested yet, so we're going to have to make sure everything works. And aside from that horrible sound, which is probably a bad belt in there, I'm hoping, we can always clean that up later. It looks like our tape deck works. Let's see. Okay, so with no tape in there, we're A-okay. I'm really hoping that horrible sound was just a fluke because there's no tape in there. But I really want to test this VCR. So we're just going to grab a tape that we've got handy here. And it looks like Mrs. Doubtfire's on top. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Okay, so for our demonstration, we've got a General Electric Space Maker. You may recognize this from one of my recent videos where I cleaned it up. We've got Mrs. Doubtfire loaded in the VCR. And it is set to channel 3 output. Looks like our counter came on. Everything's good there. And we've got some playback rolling. We're going to go ahead and fire up our sound system. I'll switch it from tuner to automatic input. Give me some static there. Okay, we've got sound coming through the TV. All right, well, the tape deck is needing some work, but our VCR, with this turned all the way down, does put out some nice audio on our surround.